We are here with Shakar Daniels, CEO of Alarum Technologies, which trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol ALAR. Shakar, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Alarum offers cybersecurity and privacy solutions to both consumers and enterprise customers through its two wholly owned subsidiaries. Shakar, let's start with a brief overview of your current operations.
So, as you mentioned, we have two business lines. One is the B2C, business to consumer. The second is the B2B, business to business. In our business to consumer, we can divide it again to two parts. One is the cybersecurity solution for our consumer, and the second is our privacy solution for our consumer. In the cybersecurity solution, we are providing a protective cybersecurity product that identifies, eliminates, and help avoid security and data breach threats. How we do it? By detecting dangerous websites during our user browser usage, alerting and blocking those threats. By the way, this is one of our main competitive advantages. It's not just that we are alerting, we are also blocking. We have a very cool features in this product, and I can elaborate in another discussion. In our privacy solution, we are providing a product that helps our customers or consumers to take charge of their online privacy with a very powerful, secure, and encrypted connection. Meaning, at the end of the day, we are protecting the security and the privacy of our consumers. In the B2B side, we are allowing our customers to keep on their, which is our organizations, to keep on their anonymity in the website while they are collecting data. I don't know if you are aware or not, but in today's world, websites increasingly change their display according to demographic attributes. Meaning, if we will hit the same website from a different location or from different companies, we might be misled on purpose and see different data. Organization wants to see a real and transparent data and to collect data in scale. So they are using our millions of exit points, our great SaaS product, in order to collect data and to keep on their anonymity, and especially to do it in scale and to get in transparent and real data.
Shakar, you have said publicly that Alarum is on the pathway to profitability, and your revenue growth has been nothing short of remarkable. 91% CAGR between 2018 and 21. Growth accelerating in the first 9 months of 2022, with revenues increasing 109% year over year. What is driving all that growth?
As I mentioned in the previous question, great product, great sales and marketing team, good brand of quality and stability. And that's why we invest so much in the last year in order to take the company to be exactly in the place where it should be, in a space that it's not so crowded, in a place that we have a significant competitive advantages. And according to this, we build a great brand. And you know, there is an expression that says, if you have numbers, you don't need stories. So the numbers are talking on behalf of themselves. You see the CAGR, especially take a look in the not only annually, but quarter after quarter, we are growing. And besides of it, quarter after quarter, only last year, during the year, we reduced our loss in more than 50%. The trend is still here. This quarter is still in the same trend of growing and reducing burn rate, and we see the profitability just ahead of us.
Cybersecurity, privacy, two gigantic areas. Just how big is the market opportunity for your solutions?
Both markets are billions. I think that nobody needs to mention the level of awareness in the world today to cybersecurity and privacy. I think it's one of the biggest threats of anybody. Also, only in the last year, 47% of US citizens claim that they suffered to be under identity theft attack. Meaning these markets are growing, everybody's talking about it, everybody's totally afraid about it, and we are just here in the right time with a great solution for our consumers and for our organizations.
All right, gigantic markets. How do you make money in these markets?
Again, two parts. In the B2C side, we have a very, very stable, solid formulas. From one side, we have one of the best team in Israel in marketing, sales, and media buying. We are buying media in the internet. We are advertising in the online advertising tools and platforms. And this is called CAC, which is consumer acquisition cost. From the other side, our target is to keep on the level of satisfaction of our consumers in order that they will stay with us as long as possible. It's called retention, or LTV, which is lifetime value. So at the end of the day, the CAC, we have a low CAC, we have a great retention, a great LTV, and that's how we make money and build our future recurring revenue. In the B2B side, it's a question of awareness. In the last 2 years, we built our brand all over the world, and today I can say proudly that NetNut, our privacy solution for organization, is ranking in between the big 4 or the big 5 brands of the world in this growing space. So most of our customers are approaching us in inbound approach, and we have a great gross profit. So every customer is profitable for us using our millions of exit points and our great product that can take us to we are already profitable in this business line, and we will be more and more in the future.
Shakar, management is key to the success of smaller cap companies. I want to know more about you. Talk about some of the other key players on your team as well.
All right, so I joined Alarum something like 8 years ago. After my previous startup that I worked for, the name was PrimeSense, had been acquired by Apple, which is a huge proud for us, for almost $500 million. And then I joined the forces of Alarum. Over the time, we succeeded to engage with great talents from the Israeli cybersecurity and privacy ecosystem, from the famous intelligence unit of the Israeli army. And in the last 3 years, we successfully acquired one of the best 2 companies in this space in Israel, and their founders and CTOs and the key players in this company is not just left like after every acquisition or exit. They believe in our journey. They see that they can do much more in the future, so they stayed with me as my partners in the management team of Alarum to take this company to be an empire.
All right, great product, great market, great management team. Let's wrap it all up into an essential value proposition. Shakar, why should investors take an interest in Alarum right now?
Okay, so in the last 3 years, we built 2 companies of Alarum. 2 very successful acquisition. We shifted the company from the crowded traditional market of the cybersecurity for organizations, a little bit right or left, to the privacy and cybersecurity for organizations and consumer. We build our brand. We build a stable product. We build a significant competitive advantage above our competition. And at the end of the day, you can see the numbers. We see an alarming spike in the revenues. We see a great reduction in the burn rate, meaning our operation become much more efficient. Our sales and marketing, by the way, fully automated, almost zero touch with our customers. Everything is automated, everything's through the website. Everyone can do everything automated without any of our team spending time, money, traveling. And we think that we are in a reflection point that this company is just starting a way to be an empire in aerospace.
You really do make the case that you're at an inflection point, Shakar. Congratulations and best wishes to you on your pathway to profitability. And of course, thanks for being with us today.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure for me.